I got it ready to go. This will be the proofing process for web ads. And the only difference between proofing print and web ads is just that if it's an animated web ad, you have the option of selecting the specific frame that you want to change. So let me just quickly call up my example web ad that I have. For static web ads that don't contain any animation, it's very, very similar to print. The only difference really is in that viewing the animation and selecting the frame where the change needs to happen is just slightly different. So let's look at that. This is my animated web ad that's available for proofing. So again, you'll get your notification email. You'll go to proof the ad. It's going to take you directly into ExpanseNet, and the screen will look like this. Now, for the animated web ads, in order to see the animation, it's not going to play from this auto proof screen. In order to see the animation play, I have to go up to proof ad. When I click on proof ad, it launches the proofing window, and now the animation will play. So that's the key difference with print versus web. In order to see the animation, if it's an animated ad, you're only going to be able to see that when you launch the proofer window here. You've got a few options up at the top. If you want to play the animation again, you can replay, you can pause the animation, you can resume the animation. So these options are all here at the top. And basically, wherever the change needs to happen in the ad, when you get to the point where the change occurs, you just click Add New Correction. ExpanseNet identifies the frame where the ad is changing. And let's say you had a new photo for some shoes. I'm going to say I have a new photo of shoes. At that point, you can attach your new artwork. Just go ahead and upload it, just like we've done in the other examples, and confirm. And any of the other information in the ad that needed to change, if the address were different, I could just go ahead and add a new correction. Address change to 15 Kelly Road. And click Done. So it's essentially very, very similar to the print ads. The main differences being you're not seeing the little bubbles appear in the image of the ad up here because you're selecting frames. Okay, so once I've gone through and I've marked up all my corrections on the different frames, works exactly the same way as print. I have the option of submitting the ad and not requesting a revised proof. If there were no changes, I could approve the ad right here using the Approve Ad option. And then the third option I have here, Submit Changes, Send New Proof. So I'm going to go ahead and click there and confirm. And once again, just like with the print ads, you can see that there is now a red bar across the middle letting you know that changes have been submitted and a new proof will be sent once those changes have been made. And you can also, at this point, download your web ad here if you wanted to get a SWIFT file or a JPEG. That's downloadable here from the download link. And also in your email. So, any questions on the web ad and web ad proofing? All right, so that's basically everything that I have for you today. We did hand out copies of these ExpanseNet instructions. These cover all of the different scenarios that we looked at today. So you can refer back to these. I have them in PDF format. Be happy to email them to everybody once we wrap up. These cover everything that we looked at today. So if there are no other questions, I think we're all set.